Let me introduce myself. Here I will tell how to make LinkedIn. The first step, you must have a smartphone. The second step, you can open Play Store. In search tab, you can write LinkedIn and then click install. Wait. If you have to finish installing LinkedIn, then you can open it and click join now. And then you can insert your email or phone number and password. Then click next. And then you can click I'm college student, and then you can insert your university degree, specialization, the year you entered to this college, and the year you finish the college, and click next. Then you can insert your country and postal code. And then you can insert your profile photo. Finally, you have a LinkedIn account.